A very cold start here in Alfriston village in East Sussex. This beautiful village falls in the South Downs National Park. It's a beautiful village. It's like got a very medieval, historical kind of feel. You can see over here we've got the old Smuggler's Inn, which is an inn slash pub from the 1300s, which is extremely old. And it almost feels as if I've gone back in time. So I've just had a lovely walk around the village. It's absolutely stunning, but now I'm going to head towards the sea. So I found the river Cuckmere, as you can see here, which essentially flows all the way to where I'm going to be going. So I'm going to follow the path along the river, and along the way there's actually, I've heard that there's a chalk or carved horse in the hills, which is quite visible actually from a fair distance. So I've just crossed over the river at Alfriston, and I'm now heading towards the coast, but there's a sign here, and my original plan was to essentially cycle along the river on this footpath, but there's a sign here which says that cycles are not allowed. So thank God I've got my Beeline application here. And on the app it's essentially saying I can follow the road for maybe a mile or so, and then there's another bridge further ahead. Once I've crossed that bridge, I'll be able to cycle along the river and get to my location. I'm currently standing alongside the river Cuckmere, and right behind me in the distance you can see a horse which has been carved out by two men overnight in 1924, and it's essentially a chalk horse figure within the hill looking over the Cuckmere River, and it's called the Litlington horse. As you know, I started off my bike ride in a small medieval village called Alfriston, made my way along the river to a beautiful view of the Litlington White Chalk Horse, which is etched into the hills, and I've literally been following along the river the whole time. It's been, let's say, somewhat questionable in terms of the terrain, but the G Line has absolutely handled it brilliantly. A couple of wheel spins. It was very muddy, if I'll be honest with you. The conditions were not the best in terms of surface, but the bike handled it very well. The overall bike ride was very, very challenging. There was a lot of, it was almost like cross training to some extent. I had to pick the bike up, carry it over some of the fences, or styes, I think, or stiles they might be called, and then carry my luggage over, then carry on riding the bike. I'm now heading up the cliff, the Seven Sisters cliff. It's been quite a steep uphill ride. I tried to go as high as I could until I've now come to the point where I will probably take the sensible approach and just walk alongside my bike right to the top. If there are any flat bits, I will of course try and ride because it will get me there a bit faster. There's only one way for me to describe this journey today. Epic is the word to use. Starting from a village, along the river, on some main roads, through some fields, uphill, downhill, in some very sticky mud, and arriving at the top of the Seven Sisters cliffs. Absolutely amazing ride, and considering the distance that I've cycled today is only around 9 kilometers. It's taken pretty much all day, and I know we've been stopping for camera footage and that kind of stuff, but it's been quite a challenging ride, especially at the final bit, but well worth it. I mean, look where I am right now, sitting at the cliff edge, looking out to the ocean, white cliffs. It's absolutely stunning. Highly recommend this little bike ride on a nice sunny day like today.